Indi, I'm 11 years old and I do keeper for a day at Zoodoo. I got to feed animals and it was just a really good experience.
Keepers have an important role to make sure that all of their animals are accounted for and that they're all safe and healthy.
I like all the animals. My favourites were the wombats, the meerkats and the monkeys. The emus scare me a bit, and big birds.
So you actually notice that this is the most...
Scariest animal?
No, not scariest animals. Probably what I would say is the most dinosaur-like animal you can actually ever feed. If you look at its feet, it's got very T-Rex-like feet. They're quite sharp. They can use those as weapons. Okay, Cass, go around. Yeah.
Today I learnt that the zookeeper isn't just having time with the animals and stuff. You clean the handrails, you sweep all of the path, you clean the river, and we also prepare the food, and it's a really fun experience. I think that other kids would learn a lot from it, and even kind of older kids could learn a lot from it too, because it's not just something that little kids would like to do, it's something that all people would like to do. If you want to work at Zoodoo or have something to do with animals, you should definitely do this as a start.